What are you thinking, baby? What are you thinking? Oh. Are you gonna need a diaper change after this conversation? Huh? Do you want to get ready to go see Daddy? Should we get ready? Or you gotta finish up some business here first, huh? Drooly. You're so drooly, Jojo. Yeah. That's okay. You look sleepy. Push the button. There you go. Good job, Jojo. Can you push it again? You can do it. There you go. Good job. Oh, you pushed it again? Can you push it again? Oh, hey now. You like that song better? Which one's your favorite, I wonder, huh? Oh, wow. Snickers, what are you doing? Off. Thank you. Come on. Snickers, what do you need? Ooh, you're big. Jojo, you keep changing it. Look at all that drool on your face. Oh my goodness. You gonna scream? Snickers, what do you want, baby? We just took you out for the 3rd time in this hour.